ikot na ulit sila. And of course, getting that momentum back. And let's see how would they run this play.
Oh, good pass. Oh, wow. Better defense by Dawn. Opportunity for Galleries. Block there. Good coverage. Encarnacion will try. Cross court. Acuna says, no. She'll try again down the line. But Ishii was there. Gandler. Easy push. Encarnacion read that one. Back row Ronquillo. But Abil, good defense.
Another long rally.
Jel. Wow, but look at Eroa go. At nakangiti pa. Higit sa lahat. Acuna. Here in terms of attack. Look at that one more time. But wow, the display of skills here is intense.
Mga rallies and big. Bilang susulpot na lang ng A-quick bigla, patay ka agad yung bola. Pero I commend also for, of course, the defense coming from both teams, especially Signal on the net. Talang nadidefect nila yung bola eh.
Jel, gigil na gigil with attacks. Acuna, a little slow on that play. Opportunity here again for her. Coronel was there for defense. Encarnacion, easy lob. Dawn was there. Vanny. Wow, look at that defense. Ball still alive, but a free ball goes to the HE Spikers. Vanny, easy tip.
Wow, smart play there. Great court sense.
Look at this. Grabe.
Pero syempre, both liberos na papagalingan, nagpapasiklap ng husay dito sa laro natin. Effort nila yung mga extra step to get the ball, or even yun nga, may extra effort to hit the ball harder and to defend the ball or block the ball coming from the side of HE Spikers. Unlike dito kasi sa Signal HE Spikers, nade-defect nila yung bola eh. Pero just like that, well, actually lahat naman sila eh. Lahat
Miss
naman
Universe
sila eh.
talaga yung sagot mo.
Mahirap
dito
na
nga.
Hindi, joke lang.
Oh,
Siyempre,
sure.
diba?
Dito in attendance. Oh, wow. Look at that
And
Dawn
even my
dive.
teammate also si Jao Mandal watching his girlfriend here supporting the Galleries.
Oh, look at this. What a smart play by Jel. Kayo na, but look at Dawn. Dropping her body there. Simply.
They're the ring finger of Vanny Gandler. Pero makikita mo dito for Julia Coronel, parang hindi siya rookie na maglaro dito sa PVL.
Vanny will try this time. Off speed, and it works.
So they need on the side of Gallery. Minsan pasulpot-sulpot lang para maiba lang din yung flow ng defense and offense of their team.
You mean like that, Alfred? But look at
Wow.
Dawn staying sharp with her reflexes. Ooh, a chesty. Ishii down the line. Suaje was there. Coronel back row to Ronquillo. Abil was there. Over on 2 for Jel. Will she do it again? She sets up Gandler, but Ronquillo throwing it away and giving the point to Gandler.
Katindig, but this spike of the set is brought to you by Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan.
Look at Dawn with a big happening in the tail end of this set. They want to go home with a big W in this first game day back from the holiday break. Doria Aquino with a quick Eroa sets up Maraginot. Good deflection there. Ball still alive. Back set to Abil. Out of system, Eroa said, let me get the third touch. Opportunity here for the HE Spikers. Dawn to Ishii.
Wow, what an angle they're coming from Ishii.
From Ishii.
Breakout game for her here. Nagpapakilala siya na ay